Good afternoon, Parkland. Today is Wednesday, November 9th. It is a day 6 and an A schedule. I'm Aurora, Gery.
And I'm Kendall, Samley. Welcome back to Parkland TV. Attention seniors, the cap and gown order form has been sent out on Schoology. Make sure to order yours for $29 before January 31st, 2023, as the price will increase. Graduation packages are also linked in the update on Schoology for senior apparel and jewelry options.
This week's cooking club meeting will be held today after school in A131. If you plan to attend, sign up using the Google form link posted to the club Schoology page. If you do not sign up prior to the meeting, you will not be allowed to attend. The number of total students will be capped at 32. If you have any questions, please see Mrs. Romani.
Auditions for the PHS Color Guard will take place tomorrow, November 10th. No experience is needed. The Social Equity Club is collecting period products in D109 to end period poverty. There will also be a club meeting tomorrow, November 10th in room D109 after school until 4:15.
The next Parkland Productions meeting will be tomorrow, Thursday, November 10th, in room B118 after school. Please make sure to bring your $5 dues if you haven't already. The Trumpet is looking for students to create a winter-themed comic for the second print edition. The deadline is November 18th. Please submit all drawings and final comics to beckd@parklandst.net. Get creative with your designs and make it funny.
This week is National School Psychology Week. Today, focus on hope and healing through wellness. Identify one thing you can do for yourself or another that supports personal well-being and prepares you to be a positive contributor to the community.
Boys basketball tryouts will take place next week. Freshman tryouts are in the Aux Gym on Friday, November 18th from 3 to 5 p.m., Saturday, November 19th from 8 to 10 a.m., and Monday, November 21st from 3 to 5 p.m. JV and varsity tryouts will take place in the main gym on Friday, the 18th from 3:15 to 5:15, Saturday the 19th from 10:15 to 12:15, and Monday the 21st from 3:15 to 5:15.
In sports news, girls volleyball won against Plymouth White Marsh 3-0, boys soccer won after double overtime in a penalty shootout, and girls soccer lost 2-1.
Make sure to follow our YouTube, Instagram, and Twitter at Parkland TV Film, and check out our website, parklandtvfilm.org, for updates, broadcasts, and exclusive content. I'm Aurora, Gery.
And I'm Kendall, Samley. Have a great day, Parkland.